Welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video, I'm going to show you how to record your screen on your Redmi 13. To record your screen, you want to enter the screen recorder. To do so, go into the quick drawer and search for screen recorder in there. If you don't find it, find edit and then search for it somewhere here. When you find it, you can tap and hold it and then drag it over. Once you do, click done, then click on the screen recorder option and it's going to open this menu. Here you can tap on the red button to start recording and then tap on the red square again to stop recording. You can tap on this little folder icon to enter the screen recordings you may have made. You can tap on the settings icon to change screen recording settings, change the resolution of your recordings, change the video quality to be either higher or lower. You can also drag the menu itself around, just place it wherever you want. That will align itself to one of the edges, so you can't have it in the middle. You can change the orientation of your videos, the sound source, change the frame rate to be a bit higher, a bit lower. You can also change quite a few settings like the showing of touch gestures, so people will see your touches when you use it. And you can tap on the little X button to close it. If you found this video useful, please consider subscribing, leave a like and a comment down below.